Hi guys, I have this laptop here that I bought. It's an AMD Ryzen, especially bought for you guys, testing AMD ArcoLinux. Does it work together? It has a BitLocker encrypted hard disk. So I want to install ArcoLinux next to it and keep the Windows 11. I have these options you see here. F1, I'm just gonna read it just to know sure. Well, maybe we could zoom in a little bit. Voila, like this. That's what we have. And I went into the F10 already and have to look at the light is not that great here. F10, that's the button. And then we wait. It takes a while to kick in, but it comes. If I press it twice, it's a loud beep. But I think I have to do it again. Maybe it's just F10 without the FN. Probably is. Voila, it is. Remember, Eric, without FN, you go to the boot options, and I disabled the secure boot, which results in misery, right? The secure boot, when secure boot is enabled, BIOS performs cryptographic check during boot up. That's the problem for the integrity of the software image. It prevents unauthorized or maliciously modified software from running. Sounds good, but, right? Escape, ignore, exit. If you want to boot up, don't do anything, don't touch anything, you get this. The BitLocker recovery thing. And it wants me to pop in a key. So either they say, put the setting back on. Yeah, we don't want that. Or give us a key. And the key is to be found on aka.ms/myrecoverykey. So I have my other screen open on the other side. I'm gonna let you show a nice, beautiful, greasy screen. And I have a lot to type. Let's see. Okay, I have my keyboard is on. I'm gonna move my laptop in front of the other screen because it's quite a long number. It's like a super long number. 686, that you may know, and then all the rest. Okay, eyesight, come on, don't let me down. Still not finished. This should be it. Enter. Wow, I'm in. All right, I see HP, that's something already. Woo! Ah. Okay, so I guess BitLocker is gone for now. Let's go in. I wonder what did I use as pin code here. I think it's that. So I've got my Windows, so yay! But where's my other USB? I'm ready. Excel goes into the USB. It's in. Never been used before. USB, you feel it's a little bit. Okay, whatever. Don't want to see this. Bye. Voila, we're on and in. It's on and we're in. This PC. Oh. Okay, so we have plenty of space for our little Linux that we have, right? Plenty of space indeed. 871 gigabytes. Right. So let's restart. I need to have escape. Pause. Then I need the boot menu, which is F9. I don't need Fn anymore, Eric. F9 is good. And then USB, voila, this one, a flash drive. We recognize the lines and off we go. Welcome to ArcoLinux. My mouse is working, Bluetooth mouse. Begin the installation. Don't need internet. You don't need internet. Do you know that? You don't need it. System is not plugged in. Fine, whatever. New York, that's not correct. Brussels. Next. Belgium. Next. Question is, how much will I take? It's an NVMe. And it has BitLocker on it. So the question is, yeah, will it give me issues? I don't know, never done this. So I guess so, because I can't slide it. So I can replace it, but I can't make this. Okay, so we need to figure out how to get this BitLocker away from it. All right, means there'll be another video. All right, cheers.